Watch and listen carefully. Have your notebook and a pen ready to take notes. Later, you'll complete a writing activity comparing this to the passage you read in the previous activity. Lynn believed that high-quality pet food was the healthiest option for pet nutrition. She argued that commercial pet food is specifically formulated to meet the nutritional needs of pets. With a balance of proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, these foods ensure that pets receive all the essential nutrients they require to thrive. Lynn pointed out that many brands invest in research to create formulas that support healthy growth and development. In addition, Lynn emphasized the convenience of pet food compared to homemade diets. She noted that preparing meals from scratch can be time-consuming and may lead to nutritional imbalances if not done correctly. With packaged pet food, owners can easily provide their pets with consistent and balanced meals without the worry of missing important nutrients. Lynn felt that this convenience makes it a practical choice for busy pet owners. Moreover, Lynn highlighted that many pet food brands prioritize quality ingredients and safety standards. She believed that choosing reputable brands helps ensure that pets are eating safe and nutritious food. By providing pets with high-quality commercial food, Lynn felt that pet owners could help their animals live longer, healthier lives while reducing the risk of health issues related to poor nutrition. Prepare for your writing task. Summarize the key points from the video and discuss how they contrast with or challenge the main ideas presented in the reading from the previous activity.